Hello, in this presentation we're going to define momentum. Momentum is a vector quantity and its mathematical definition is the mass multiplied by velocity. Where the momentum is symbolized by p, the mass is symbolized by m, and the velocity is symbolized by small v. The mass of an object is an inherent property of that object, and the velocity is a vector quantity. The magnitude of the velocity of a moving object is equal to the object's speed. The direction of the velocity is the direction in which the object is moving. Using SI units, the mass is measured in kilogram and velocity in meter per second. What are the SI units for momentum? So, by replacing the units in the equation, which states that the momentum is equal to the mass times velocity, let's put the mass in its unit, which is kilogram, and velocity write it as meter per second. We get that the unit for momentum is kilogram meter per second. Let's check it. And good job. Another question. Is momentum a scalar or a vector quantity? Recall that a scalar is a quantity that has magnitude only. However, a vector is a quantity that has magnitude and direction. So what's your answer? Yes, it should be a vector quantity, since velocity also is vector. Let's check if your answer is correct. And good job. Third question. What is the momentum of a 1000 kilogram car traveling south at 20 meters per second? So, substituting the values in the equation, the mass is 1000 kilogram and the velocity is 20 meters per second south. So the answer is 1000 times 20 is equal to 20,000 kilogram meter per second in the south direction. Let's check if your answer is correct. And good job.